Nó sấy lẻ, nó sấy lẻ. Wow. Đó, ini, dah. Dan kamu kau lagi anda belum kau belum ada. Ini ada dah. No.
Well, kind of like what Dawn said, yours is Miss Emmon, right? And she's good. Okay. She says, Mary has demonstrated dedication and hard work throughout the year, making significant progress in her learning. She is kind and has a smile that brightens our classroom. I have loved watching Mary gain confidence in herself and really come out of her shell. She has a positive attitude and is a great friend to others. Keep up the amazing work, Mary. That's great.
Yeah, Mary.
Violet has been working hard at school to improve her focus and get her work done in class. She is quick to listen when given instructions. All right, Casey, it's your treat. Te olvidaste el dulce. What can you tell us about Herzog?
She's pretty and nice.
Oh, how nice. She's back there just melting against the curtain. She says, I am so proud of Na. She has worked so hard and is making amazing progress in 4th grade. She's kind, hardworking, and respectful. She's a great student, and I love having her in my class. All right, Joey, turn and face the audience because they want to see you. Because they love you. Your teacher this year?
Wow. No, Riza, Mary Posa. Okay. Okay. Hi, go lagi. Wow, good job.
Hello,
Yeah, go lagi. Tao bị phá đô. Lên, wow. Có gerak. Wow. Ui. Beautiful. Wow. Good job, thank you. Wow. Lupung được chưa? Lupung được chưa? Lagi, tao bị đáp po. Hay là mà phun này là mà kia anh
Mary, come!
lên nó sẽ lên wow.
Oh my god, I love you.
Wow.
Now come back! What the heck?
Hehehe